Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix too many requests, please try again, Genshin Impact problem. So, to fix the problem, just click on your Windows icon. In a search bar, typing reg edit, find registry editor, and click run as administrator. Yes. So then just follow this path: computer, key current user, then software, then find MiHoYo SDK folder, delete it, then find MiHoYo folder and delete it also. So, hope that's fix your problem. Please leave a comment in the section below, like and subscribe for more. Bye.